Together project is actually a family-based workshop that actually introduces parents and children to fun and hands-on technology tools. What inspired us was because many of us as parents, we associate technology with videos, with screens, but actually technology is more than that.
Today was very engaging. I did not expect for the elderly to be so engaged with the V-boards. Every single one of them was keen to learn, and even the ones who were struggling, they were open in asking and trying their best to do so. And I felt that it was very inspiring.
We are from Impact Colliders. We create games to solve problems. So in our game, A How, we combine both physical and digital elements to help seniors go from 0 to 1. Because some of them, when they first start off, they are a bit uncomfortable with technology. So with a physical element, they build confidence. And we believe that learning technology is not just to make lives better, but to connect better with your loved ones. And that's really heartening.
Digital for Life is basically a platform for us to give back to the community, and also it's a place where we can come in and increase the digital literacy rate. So today we'll be actually using generative AI such as Gemini and ChatGPT to empower the seniors and enhance their daily living needs, such as how to plan out a workout or how to even use different ingredients to cook up a very tasty dish. So using generative AI will teach them how to enhance their life on a daily basis.